Okay, we're going to see how Lizzie likes getting brushed. I've never brushed her before, and she usually doesn't like anything like that. So, my guess is she's not going to like it, but she's starting to shed here. Okay, Lizzie. Come here, let me brush you, girlie. Hey, good girl. Let me brush you. Oh. What? Does that feel good? Okay. What? That wasn't too bad. Come here, Lizzie. Let me brush you. Come here, good girl. Here, smell it. It's just a brush. It's not that bad. What? Come here, little girlie. Oh, it's not that bad. Yes. No, you're a good girl. Smile for the camera. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. See, smell the brush. It's not bad. Oh, the good girl. Yeah, I know. See, it's not bad. Yeah. All right. You will brush you. See? Look, smell him. Look at he's right there. Lizzie, you are a goofball.